Are you using email to your advantage? Don't miss these top marketing tips. There are many fantastic benefits to having a solid email marketing strategy. Email marketing is cost-effective and allows you to reach a vast audience. It is also a wonderful way to keep in touch with your current customer base. This video offers several great tips that can help you implement or improve your email marketing efforts. Always seek permission before sending marketing emails to potential customers. Sending unsolicited emails will quickly have you labeled a spammer. Getting permission to send your messages doesn't have to be hard. Offer something valuable to your customers in exchange for the ability to email them, such as a discount, coupon, or other sign-up incentive. If you are emailing potential customers, consider following up with some video clip. You could try inserting a line within your message that tells them to order now. The ending of the message could inform these people that they can become a customer immediately by clicking on the provided link. Even though it should be obvious, it is important enough to state over and over, never send unsolicited emails. You should have explicit permission from everyone you send marketing emails to. This is about more than trying not to upset them. A recipient who considers your email spam can cause trouble for you with your service provider. Be predictable in your emails. Send them on a specific schedule. Make sure you send something at least monthly. This will help keep your customers interested. If you can send emails 1 or 2 times a week, that is even better. Test out which days give your site the best responses, and then use these days as your normal days to send emails. Email marketing offers several great advantages. It is a very cost-effective way to promote your business to a wide audience. It also enables your business to keep in contact with current customers and form relationships. Use the tips that have been provided in this video, and make sure that your business has the best email marketing program possible. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.